What is up, guys? Jeremy here with Nasty 2SS. Well, I guess that's me, but it is a channel name too. So Jeremy here, Nasty 2SS. Reason I'm posting this video, well, one, I'm gonna kind of talk about what's going on with the Camaro, or what's not going on with the Camaro, rather. Really not sure yet, but I've got some insight from somebody. He's actually gonna make a little guest appearance in the video a little bit later. He's still on the way over here as far as I know, which, funny thing, I hadn't heard from him in a while, so I don't really know what's going on or where he's at. Really, last time I saw him was at the drag strip, and you know, we were kind of working on the Camaro a little bit. He had an idea for a modification, so I don't know, honestly, I hadn't seen him since then. So basically, I got nominated for a What's in the Trunk challenge by MojaveKY, and I'll go ahead and apologize, guys. I have not been in my trunk and probably, Lord knows, I don't know, a couple months. The last time the trunk was even open was at the drag strip when we were kind of tinkering around back there with some stuff. But that was easily probably 2 weeks ago. Alright, guys, so here's the Camaro. Pardon the mess, it's gonna be filthy in there. But here we go, What's in my Trunk challenge. At least that's what I think it's called. So, pardon the mess.
Hey man, I've almost got the nitrous system in. Just give me a few more minutes, dude.
Where's it? Man, I hadn't seen you since the drag strip.
Well, I had this idea, dude. And I just gotta get the solenoids wired in.
Man,
four lines run.
So we got the nitrous bottle back here. Man, what's his name's gonna be real happy. I don't remember his name.
Troy or something like that?
Something. I'm sure he'll comment. So to answer the question, the car, it did not have nitrous, but it does now, as you can see.
It will soon. Here, give me a hand.
You know I'm recording.
Well, the benefits of being a vlog.
So here is the challenge, man. It's dark. So I literally, I did not clean my trunk for this. You can ask JJ. I didn't have anything in my trunk, but we did decide to go get some nitrous. Got the nitrous oxide system right here. This is not Mountain Dew. This is actual nitrous.
It's the liquid nitrous.
It is, yes, liquid. I mean, this is hardcore. And JJ was actually in the process of running this straight into the intake manifold.
I got some sneaky Pete's in here too.
Some sneaky Pete's.
We're gonna wire them in together consecutively.
It's about to be fast.
I just gotta get some more 6AN line to run to the front. Get some more fuel in there and another regulator. We'll be good to go.
Yeah, it's gonna be nasty, y'all. So shout out to MojaveKY for nominating me for this fun little challenge. Even though I really ain't got no junk in the trunk, not in the car anyways, if you know what I'm saying. If you got it, flaunt it, right?
Look, and I'm not junk, okay?
Man, I guess what we're gonna do now is kind of talk about what's going on with the car. Literally, I don't know what to say. I haven't brought it to the shop yet. I'm thinking about it, but I don't know if I need to. Obviously, I don't know if you guys notice on camera or not, but people who know me, like JJ, know I'm like super paranoid and like got anxiety, and the struggle is real for sure. So we went out and we go in the garage, I guess. Yeah. We went out and gave it a nice little test drive. We didn't like beat the crap out of it.
No.
We got on it. Damn it.
Yeah. Done some good launches with it, you know.
I gotta slide in here.
Good.
Hold on, we have to replay because it damn too damn dark. Oh yeah, we'll have to do it this way. Oh wait, I'm still recording. Okay, we'll just add that to the blooper. Yeah, so well, go ahead and say what you were saying before I completely destroy the video.
So basically, you know, Jeremy was like, all I was saying because he kept hearing noises, and I'm sure he did hear the noises. The thing about it was, so we came out here, we decided to take it down the road, check out, see what kind of clunks and sounds it was making. There is a little bit of play in the rear end. I mean, but if anybody's ever ridden mine's got a lot of clunks and sound. So between the one-piece drive shaft and the cheap piece of crap rear end that it came with from the factory, I mean, it's got a lot of clunk in it anyway. And his has got way less than mine's ever had in it. It probably does have some play in the carrier or the carrier bushing. Probably does have some play in it, but from what I can tell, there's nothing really wrong with the car. Now that's not saying that the rear end might eventually go out, because with putting out 500 horsepower with the rear tire, I'm sure it's going to eventually get some backlash in it. Or
yeah, without supporting mods for sure on stock components. So
I mean, it's only a matter of time. But from what I can tell from it, without us, opening up the rear differential, I think everything's fine. I don't see any point in putting any money into it. I think that might be better spent in getting a real one-piece drive shaft or a
real nitrous kit.
Yeah, or a real nitrous kit for one.
There we go. Yeah. Which that's ridiculous how much they charge for nitrous. He knows how to install it. So if we do nitrous, I just said doo-doo. If we do nitrous, then JJ probably going to help me put it in.
Yeah, it won't take us but a day to put it in if it takes us that long. I figure about 4 to 5 hours to do it.
And then we'll just go take it somewhere and get it tuned and all that.
Yeah, I think A2 speed myself.
A2 speed and VA. He's a big fan, so shout out to them for sure. Yeah, well dang. That's it. I guess we keep this video pretty short unless there's anything you want to talk about today.
But I mean, no. Did you tell them about the drag strip?
Yes. Yeah, actually, in that video, actually, the last. Okay, so all right, the jig's up. I'm recording. This is the last video. This is the same day, so he didn't see the video yet. But I just posted the video saying I was gonna, post up some videos of the drag strip or whatever, which it is up now. Which he was over here when I uploaded it, but he hasn't seen it yet. But that will be the, God Almighty, that's gonna be the video after this one. But yeah, well, I guess we could do a teaser. Ray J or Racing Ray is what they call him. Yeah, he destroyed his car like bad.
Poor Ray.
Poor Ray. R.I.P. to the Camaro.
But luckily he didn't get hurt though.
Yeah.
It could have been bad.
It could have been bad, but I don't want to give too much away. But he did. Can't really say a whole lot without not giving anything away.
Yeah.
So, well, be on the lookout for that. But right now, as far as we can tell, the car is fine. I kind of had to get over my little anxiety hump and actually get out and drive it and get on it hard. And it was fine.
Well, if anybody that has ever built a car, I mean, guys, you know what it's like, especially if you put money into it, you get on it and you hear a sound that you haven't heard in a long, or ever heard, or it's louder than what it seems to be. It weeds you out. It really does. It bothers you. Because we all put our hearts and souls into these cars. Regardless, at the end of the day, it's what we really have a passion for. All of us have a passion for each other's cars and for the the general idea of it. So I understand where Jeremy's come from. He hears something, dude. Stress level just rises. I've done the same thing with mine. Stress level rises. Hey, the day that me and him raced and he outrun me like that, dude, stress level rises. I'm like, what's going on here? But when it comes to it, at the end of the day, if you build it, you're gonna break it. If you break it, you're gonna upgrade it. Plain and simple. It's a rotation. It's a cycle.
Words to live by. Man. Well, that's it. Be on the lookout for the next video, which will be us at the drag strip. And yeah, I can't say much. I don't want to give it away, but I did get on camera. I don't know. Was that an SRT8? That what was that new gray Dodge has?
Demon. You talking about the Destroyer gray?
Yeah, the one you like.
Yeah,
they call it that for a reason. He damn destroyed him on a drag strip like 3 cars. I hope I didn't give that away. You guys will see it, whatever. Okay, so that one just a full out, not even a teaser. That's just, what do they call it? That's a damn spoiler. Spoiler alert. So, but yeah, he killed him. So I did post.
Still pretty color.
Oh yeah. I don't think I posted your time in the video because I didn't ask permission. I didn't want to give out your times.
Well,
I put
it's
mine
slow anyway, so everybody knows they only run a 16 or a 17 anyway.
It is everything about
Challengers don't put power down anyway.
They don't put power to the ground.
They're heavy.
Yeah.
They can't run at decent times.
Yeah.
I have to agree, it's terrible. 60-foot times are hard on them. I have to agree with that part. But yeah, I mean, they're slow pigs. So if you see me coming, don't worry about it, man. Just bet me $100, man. you win easy money.
That's right.
Easy money. Help
Oh,
me
yeah.
build my car, please.
Oh man. All right, guys. Well, that is it. Man, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time. I guess we can cut it off now. All right.